तो गाइस हम कल को मॉल पे गए थे, इनॉर्बिट मॉल पे खाली घूमने गए थे। तो हम लोगों को बोस का हेडफोन मिला, बोस ईयर प्लग 2 आई थिंक। तो हम लोगों ने टेस्ट किया, उसको देखा कि कैसे है। तो हम लोगों को पसंद आ गया, तो मेरे को पसंद आ गया। तो इट वाज 9:30 व्हेन वी टेस्टेड। तो शोरूम क्लोज़ हो गया, तो कल नहीं ले पाए। तो फिर आज जिम के पहले जाके 10 बजे इनॉर्बिट मॉल से हम लोग वो बोस एयरबड्स लेके आए हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कि कैसा है। ये है ईयरबड्स, वो लोगों ने बढ़िया पावर पैकिंग दिया है, एकदम लंबा वाला पैकिंग है। ऊपर से अगर देखें तो ये आ गया अपना ईयरपोड्स आ गया, और ये आ गया अपना जो भी है, वो लोगों ने ऐसा दिया है। तो ये है पूरा जो बिल है, बिल ऐसा वो लोगों ने दिया। As you can see, this is open. This is the showroom name is Sound Escape Store. So you can see this is cost us tax invoice. So we take 9th month EMI, which is, and with the zero interest. They are having some offer, so they may match the Amazon price, as you can see that. As you can see, so this is what it is. You can see, and now it comes to our Bose unpacking earbuds. So we have to remove it. Let's see that QuietComfort earbuds, noise cancelling. It's a very good experience. Once I tried it, it's a very good experience. As you can see, it's a Bluetooth and works with Android as well. Okay, I think it's better. It's better than AirPods Pro, but still I haven't tried AirPods Pro. But let's see. I liked it after yesterday trial. I think so. I have bought it. So this is our headphone, and along with that, हेडफोन इट इनसाइड, दिस इज हेडफोन केस। ये हम लोगों का यूज़र मैनुअल, वी कैन से दे गेव वन डेटा केबल and few of the covers, earbuds covers, like 2 earbuds covers to adjustable, medium, large, small. They have given adjustable to ears. This is the total user manual in different language, English, Chinese. We have what to do, why does it manufacture and all this. Let's put this as it is there. How to put it, how it was there. It was like that, right? Okay. So as you can see scan QR, and then like this we have to do, and that's it. This is what this information, how to remove that rubber and fit it on. So we are good. Now let's see how the earbud is. This is how it looks like inside, and if you could open, the noise cancelling is very good. That's the reason I bought it. This is the noise cancelling features. Still we can hear outside sound, but it's very quiet inside once you put those in. So this is what it is. So we spent around 22,999, but it's like 9-month EMI, so it's coming around 2,500, and whatever the extra cost, 15% interest they have applied, they have like they are saying that they will revert it, so no interest I have to pay.
Basically no cost EMI, and processing fees also I'm not paying anything. So it's a good deal, so I bought it, and I will use it for the gym purpose mainly, because in gym we have some music issues. People are like changing frequently. So yeah, that's it. So thank you guys. Bye. Take care. We'll meet you soon in the next part.